Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Rokem digital alarm clock with a large light-emitted dye display. This is a digital clock with a weekend mode, USB-C charging port, and 12 and 24 hours of range. 2 alerts and snooze, mains powered, and this alarm clock is for the bedroom for kids and seniors. The large 7-inch display of that digital watch is also clearly visible from a distance and provide a clear and convenient way to read the time. With 5 volume controls, we can set the digital alert to 76 decibel, 83, 90, 100 and 110, which can be very loud for late risers. In order to meet the requirements of the market, they have equipped this alert clock digital with 3 times ranges: Monday to Sunday, Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday. The 2 alarms can be set separately with different time ranges. And adjustable brightness and night light. We have 7 brightness levels, ensure that the time is easy to read in all light conditions. On the underside of the light alert clock, there is an integrated night light with 3 adjustable brightness levels, which emits a soft light in the dark and ensures a peaceful sleep. These USB Type-C charging ports are included too. The digital alert clock, there's also an USB-C and Type-C output on the back of the alarm clock, which can be used to charge phones, tablets, earphones, Kindles, and more. That's cool, I think. Really. Because you have there the possibility of an alert. Yeah, that's good. And additionally, you get this. 2 options of reloading your machines. No more sleeping through the alarm clock in the morning or too late for work or school. This work well as an alarm clock for heavy sleeper adults, children's, adolescents, and also for light sleepers. With the upper snooze button, we can easily sleep 9 minutes longer if we need it. This is an extra loud alarm clock with night light. 1.85 inches in the height. The Rokem digital watch display the time large and simple, so that it's also easy to see from the other side of the room, which make it ideal for seniors with a visual impairment, and with a warm night light that accompanies us to sleep. And the alarm clock is equipped with a built-in night light, so on the bottom, they radiates a soft glow in the dark that creates a peaceful sleeping environment for us. And we have more function. We have Monday, Sunday, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 options. We have a USB-A port and a USB-C port to reload our devices. We have 3 alarm modes and more because we can recharge our devices. We have the possibility of 24 hours and 12 hours format. We have easy peasy installation, as you can see it. We insert 2 1.5 volt AAA batteries into the battery compartment. This is located on the back of the machine to ensure that the clock maintains the time and all alarm settings during the power outages. The batteries are not for continue using if there is not a power supply. It's for saving the settings which we made before. We need a DC power socket for that, which is included, of course. But we can also use a laptop or a personal computer or something else. For the alarm set, you see, we slide the alarm 1 period range switch button on the back to choose the period range. We press AL1 button to generate alert 1 setup, plus minus. We can set this. Then, of course, we press the AL1 or the snooze OK light button once. Then the minute digits will flash again. And so we can go to minutes, seconds, and so on. Hours, minutes, and so on. And then we have the same alert setting for option number 2. Really cool. When the alarm goes off, we press the snooze OK on. We snooze OK light button, and the alarm icon will be flashing, and the alarm will stop temporarily and rings again after 9 minutes. During the alarm Ring, press the AL1 or AL2 button to turn off the alert or for that current day. Then we can cancel the alert by press and hold the AL1 button, for example, to switch off the alert 1. So you can get this off if you need it. And we have a night light. We can choose by snooze OK and light button to switch that on to brightness level and of course to use it. This all brings us this really cool alert watch by Rokem. It's an CR1028D, which brings us a digital alarm clock with a large LED display. It is a digital clock with a weekend mode if we need it, and USB-C charging and USB-A charging port on the backside. 12 and 24 hour of range, 2 alarm and snooze button. Mains powered alarm clock for a bedroom, kids and seniors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.